Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of February 24th, 2015. As always, the charts in this presentation will come from the Trade Navigator software, and we may have a quick presentation this time because, well, for a couple different reasons. Bonds broke down pretty hard for 3 weeks and certainly looked like they were on their way down here to the 143.14 area, but they sort of turned and headed up and broke above what we thought might hold them. There is a possibility that they're going to stall here. This middle moving average is 146.21, and that certainly is a possibility for stalling them out here. I'm probably leaving this market alone for the rest of the week, though, and here's why. We roll over to the June contract. We're actually looking at prices in the March contract here, and we roll to the June contract at the end of the week. And there is a tremendous disparity in these contracts. There's almost 16 full points difference between them. I mean, we're 146 in this contract. They're 162 in the June. Now, there is a reason for that that's based on the specification of the contract and the deliverable bonds that are out there. And trust me, there's a reason for it, and it's not technical in nature. It has nothing to do with interest rates, really. But I'm afraid there's a lot of people who aren't going to know that. And they're going to see the difference in the contract and assume that's a trading opportunity. So I'm not sure I know what these markets will do till they reason it out. So until next week, I'm just not going to deal with the bond market until everybody's comfortable with these prices that will be substantially higher than the prices we're trading now, but not really. You just have to trust me on that. Now, in stocks, interesting situation. They're actually relatively quiet, but they are still going to new highs, and this is new all-time highs. The best support is actually down here in the 2069 area. You can see they've not only come nowhere near that, but this upper moving average up here is 2090. Really shouldn't even be support this week, and they haven't even gotten down to that. So next upside target is not much higher here at 2117, but it's a target. The market's making new all-time highs. Certainly, there is a chance that they will turn down from here. They could run out of gas and turn down at any point. But trust me on this, you will not make a living selling a market at new all-time highs. It's just not a good course of action most of the time. Therefore, I don't really see anything to do here. They're impressive. If last Friday's upside breakout is true, they're not going to stall here at 2117. They're going substantially higher, probably up above 2150 to the upper Keltner at least. But, they're new all-time highs. Let them go. There's not much you can do to buy them, and they're not giving you a chance to buy them. So, unfortunately, that's all we've got for you today. Maybe you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with, but thanks for checking in to see what we think.